welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Gonna move the trailer because I need to put another raised garden right where the trailer was. So there we go. I think I gotta put a little WD-40 on that. Right, another day in progress. Man, it's a hot one. Whew. It's probably close to 90. Dew point is like 70. They say we're supposed to get some severe weather this afternoon, evening. We haven't had a rain in a couple of days, so good time to give my garden a little dose. This is my potatoes. Can you believe that? I know they're in a raised garden, but it's crazy, insane. I'm not complaining, but see the flowers? That's saying I'm gonna have a lot of potatoes with the price of food these days. I'll keep these potatoes down in the basement. These are my red potatoes. And there's some red potatoes right here. And then my golds right here. Tomato plants are doing really well. Yep. So, very pleased with the garden. Very, very pleased. My cucumbers are getting off to a good start. I start trellising up the vines with the vines here, and I haven't had to water my garden much with all the rain we've been having. So just got done cutting the grass, me and my wife, and gotta water. We got a party to go to this afternoon, so that's why I'm watering now. I might not be able to water later on, especially if it rains, but I don't know. I don't want to risk not watering this great garden I have. You know, with the raised garden, you got to make sure this stuff dries out a lot faster than if it was in the ground. And over there is my corn. I know I had a late start on it. Gotta get some water hose coming out. Here we go. Alright. Had a late start, but it's doing pretty good. We had a lot of weeds to take down too, eventually. But yeah, the corn, let's take a closer look at it. It's doing really well. Right now, they're selling corn at the stands for like $8 a dozen. I don't know if that's the going rate, but I want to see, hopefully get enough where I can freeze some of it so then I can enjoy it during the winter months. Alright, I'm going to continue watering. Here's the baby chickens. They're not babies no more. Time to move them in where the other ones are. Look at how big they are. They're about 2 weeks old. Or 2 weeks. 2 months old. 2 months old. So Time to move them in. There's wifey spreading, killing the weeds. Spraying for the weeds. Stuff does a good job. Alright, I should do it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.